Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'll give you a final update on this radio. This is the WeatherX radio, and as I mentioned before, you can get this off of Amazon for under $15. AM, FM, weather band, crank charging, built-in battery, runs on, I believe, 3 AA batteries. And it turns out, it's got a light, it turns out it works pretty darn good. AM and FM reception is good. NOAA weather station is good. Of course, my NOAA weather station is only about 25 miles from me, but it comes in clear. Matter of fact, I get 3 frequencies. Anyway, I did the crank test where I cranked for a total of 5 minutes from my totally discharged battery, and it played for almost 20 minutes. 20 minutes on a 5-minute crank. Pretty good. I can't fault that at all. Then I did a AC adapter charge. Now it doesn't come with an AC adapter, so I had to find one, and I plugged it in here in the front port. I didn't see any lights come on indicating that it was charging. Typically, there is a red light that comes on when the radio is being charged, like the one here on the back. This is a little red light that comes on when you're cranking, showing that it's charging. That didn't come on. And the other thing that those little lights do is when it's fully charged, they'll turn green. Didn't have that, so I just charged it for 4 hours, and then I turned it on a FM station at medium volume, and I let it play, and I tracked it up until 8 hours. I checked it every hour after the first hour, and it was still playing at 8 hours. And then the next time I checked it, it was about almost 12 hours, and it was off. So it got at least 8 hours of playing time off of a full charge of that internal battery. Now, I haven't ever put in the AC battery, so all this testing is done with that internal battery. So that's about it. At $15, it's kind of hard to go wrong. Now, you can buy more expensive weather radios. As a matter of fact, you can buy weather radios that have a solar panel. So the panels are about this big right here, and maybe a little larger. They work, but it takes days to even get a minimum charge using those tiny little solar panels. So don't spend a lot of extra money to get one with a solar panel. If you want solar charging, get a solar panel separately, which they're usually about the size of a notebook. Get plenty of area to get charging. They'll charge a radio like this in probably a couple hours. So don't pay extra money for those radios that have the solar panel, unless you like them for other reasons. That's it. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.